Yourself in the last hour of trade. Mitessh Thakkar is with us with exactly that advice. Mitessh, hi, good afternoon. Breach of those lows and a decent pullback after that. You've been calling for eventually lower levels from here. 17,500, I think you mentioned that earlier when we spoke in the morning. Your thoughts?
Good afternoon, Prashant. So I think, yes, that overall bias still remains negative. The only thing is that we aren't getting an proper hourly close below 17,800. I think, it's just piercing that level and managing to bounce back. What I've observed is that apart from the options data, which I think the analyst was just mentioning, is that the bounce backs from that level are getting lower. So I think that's not a very good sign. I think that still suggests that there is a more chance of a weakness happening eventually and a breakdown could fructify. So I think, we're trading with more stock-specific biases, and once we get a closing below 17,780, 800 on an hourly close level, then maybe you will initiate some short positions on the index. Having said that, previous motor is a sell call. That's a stock which is slightly breaking down, so turning mildly negative over here. A stop at about 1,021 can be looked at, and a target of 970 on the downside is what I think the stock can do in the near future. And Ultratech Cement is reversing very nicely from support levels. It's given a strong price volume jump on the intraday chart, so that's a buy. Keep a stop around levels of, or just below levels of 70.50 and a target of around 7,300 on the upside is what I'm looking at.
Okay, all right, Mitessh, we'll keep coming back to you. The final 60 minutes, as I said, it promises to be quite exciting. Look at the options data.